As a Dallas homeowner, replacing your windows is a significant upgrade that can improve your home's comfort, energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. However, you may face the decision of whether to take on a DIY window replacement or hire a professional. In this article, we'll discuss the pros and cons of both options, helping you determine which is the best choice based on your needs, skills, and budget. The allure of DIY window replacement. Replacing windows yourself may seem like an appealing option. After all, it could save you money on labor costs and give you the satisfaction of completing the project on your own. But before diving in, it's important to consider the complexities involved in the process. Advantages of DIY window replacement. Cost savings. The most obvious benefit of DIY window replacement is the potential to save money on labor costs. Professional window replacement services can be pricey, so doing the work yourself may seem like an easy way to reduce expenses. All you'll need to pay for is the window materials and necessary tools. Personal satisfaction. For DIY enthusiasts, there's a sense of accomplishment in completing a home improvement project. Replacing your windows can give you a sense of pride and the ability to customize your project according to your preferences. Learning experience. If you're interested in home improvement, replacing your windows can be a great learning opportunity. You'll gain hands-on experience in carpentry, measuring, and window installation, skills that can come in handy for future projects. Challenges of DIY window replacement. Time-consuming. Window replacement is not a quick project. It involves precise measurements, careful handling of materials, and ensuring that everything is sealed and installed correctly. This can take hours or even days, depending on the number of windows being replaced and your level of experience. Complexity. Windows aren't a one-size-fits-all component. In Dallas, homes come in various shapes and styles, and getting the right fit for your windows can be challenging. Issues like rotten window frames, structural damage, and complicated window designs may arise that require professional-level expertise to address properly. Potential for mistakes. Even seasoned DIYers can make mistakes when replacing windows. Improper installation can lead to drafts, water leakage, or even damage to your home's structure. Mistakes in window placement or sealing can also result in higher energy costs in the long run, which defeats the purpose of installing new, energy-efficient windows. The professional advantage. Hiring a professional to handle your window replacement in Dallas comes with its own set of benefits, especially when it comes to quality, efficiency, and peace of mind. Advantages of professional window replacement. Expertise and experience. Professional window installers have years of experience and knowledge in selecting, fitting, and sealing windows. They understand the best materials for your home's design and climate and know how to handle any issues that arise during installation. In Dallas, where weather conditions like extreme heat and storms can affect your home's insulation, a professional will ensure that your windows are installed to maximize energy efficiency and durability. High-quality materials and workmanship. Professionals have access to high-quality windows and materials at competitive prices. They also ensure that your windows are properly sealed, which minimizes drafts and improves energy efficiency. Moreover, most companies offer warranties for their work, which provides peace of mind in case any issues arise down the road. Time saving. A professional team can replace multiple windows in just a day or two. Their experience allows them to complete the job quickly and efficiently, which means you can avoid long interruptions to your routine and enjoy your new windows sooner. Comprehensive services. When you hire a professional, they typically take care of all aspects of the installation, including removing the old windows, handling debris disposal, and making sure that your new windows are properly sealed and insulated. This eliminates the need for you to manage multiple tasks. Challenges of professional window replacement. Higher initial cost. The primary downside to professional window replacement is the cost. While you'll save time and energy, you'll need to budget for both the windows and the installation labor. However, many professionals offer financing options to help spread out the cost. Limited control over the process. With a professional service, you may have less direct involvement in the decision-making process. While you'll have input on the window style and design, the professional will handle the actual installation, which may not align perfectly with your personal preferences for every step. Which option is right for you? When deciding whether to take on a DIY window replacement project or hire a professional, consider the following factors. Skill level. If you have experience with home improvement projects and have the necessary tools, you may feel comfortable taking on the task. However, if you're unsure about your ability to handle the complexity of window replacement, hiring a professional is a safer option. Time commitment. If you have the time to invest in learning and completing the project, DIY might be an enjoyable challenge. However, if you need your windows replaced quickly and efficiently, professionals can handle the job in a fraction of the time. Budget. DIY window replacement can save money on labor, but you'll need to account for potential mistakes that could cost you more in the long run. A professional service may seem more expensive initially but offers the benefit of expertise, high-quality materials, and a warranty on the work. Long-term value. If you want to ensure the longevity and efficiency of your windows, a professional installation is the way to go. Improper installation can lead to long-term issues like water damage or reduced energy efficiency. Conclusion. DIY window replacement can be a rewarding project if you have the time, skills, and tools to do it right. However, if you want to ensure quality results, save time, and avoid costly mistakes, hiring a professional window replacement service in Dallas is likely your best option. Whether you choose DIY or professional installation, replacing your windows can make a significant difference in the comfort, value, and energy efficiency of your home.